Here's how to fix Facebook not working. Now, if you're trying to use Facebook, maybe you open it up, you wanted to post a post or a story, you want to send messages, any of those different things, and it's just not working normally. I'm going to walk you through some steps to get that fixed. Now, the first and easiest thing we can do is just swipe up on our finger, and we're just going to close out of all of these apps, including the Facebook app. So close out of the app and then try to open it up again. Sometimes that just fixes any kind of bug, or if it's glitching, or maybe it's stalled, any of that stuff. Now, the next thing we're going to do is open up a web browser, and we're just going to type in is Facebook down and go to the down detector here. And we're going to check to see maybe it's not working because the Facebook servers are down. So if you see a huge spike in reported outages, that's likely the reason. You just need to wait a few hours to usually get that back up and running and fixed, and the Facebook app should be working as normal. Now, if this looks fine and you've also restarted Facebook, the last thing that we'll do is head into your settings, tap on General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. Now, once you're in here, we're going to find the Facebook app. There it is towards the bottom. And we're going to offload this app and reinstall it. Now, if you're on Android, all you have to do is clear the cache, delete the app, and reinstall the app. So you can see I'm just going to reinstall this. And by going through this process, it force updates Facebook to the latest version. And once you see it, fully install the fresh new version of it. I can open it up and it should be working as normal. I should be able to browse any kind of stories, watch videos, posts, and messages, all of that stuff. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.